And we are back with another video. This time we're going to do the Xbox One on how to add an external SSD or a mechanical drive to your Xbox to add more external storage. And we are back with some more on how to add an external drive to the console, this time the Xbox One. I'm reusing some of the old footage from our prior video from the PS4, so this is exactly the same video that I'm using. So we're using an SSD Crucial 1TB drive, and to add that to the console we're using a USB 3.0 to SATA cable. That makes the connection possible. There are a ton of other options online, like from Amazon or from Newegg or your favorite online retailer. Based on price performance, you're going to just buy whatever you think you need. Other SSD brands you could think about are maybe Kingston, Samsung, OCZ, ADATA. There's a ton of options. If you want to go into the mechanical drive side of things, the Seagate 4TB would be a good option, or maybe even perhaps the Western Digital MyBook comes in a various different flavors of 4, 6, 8TB versions. And also keep in mind that if you do go the SSD route, you will be required to get the USB 3.0 cable to SATA 3 cable. If you're getting the mechanical drives, they usually most always come with an included USB 3.0 cable. Another thing to keep in mind is that Xbox does require the SSD drive size to be larger than 256 gigabytes. So I am unable to test if a 120 gigabyte SSD drive would actually work, because this is only a 1 terabyte that I have access to. So if you do have an older 120 gig drive, you could try it. I just cannot guarantee that it will actually work. So let's go over to the software side of things and check out where we need to go. So you just simply, all you do, you plug in the USB cable with the SSD drive attached. This will come up and it will say that it's ready to format storage device. It's simple. It just automatically finds it, and you just click on format storage device. Next up, it will have you name the device, which I will just leave it as default here. And we just continue on. There it is, it's called external. And you can tell it to install all new installations to this device, basically making it the default drive, which is fine. And then you just say format storage device. And it shouldn't take too long, it takes maybe a few seconds. And you'll be prompted at the bottom of the screen as there it is. External device is now ready. And now we're going to test out and see if a game actually works. So Gems of War, small little file, 1.4 gigs. And you just go up to the game and you say move. So we click on move. And then it will just say, yep, click on move, and it will move it over. It shouldn't take too long, maybe 30 seconds or so, I'm guessing. I mean, it should have a fairly high transfer rate of speed. And then after that, when it's done, we simply try out the game to see if it works. Alright, so let's go ahead and run the game, and let's see first of all how long it takes to load up, which a small game like this on an SSD should be fairly quick. And there it is, it's already almost loaded. It just jumps. Yeah, it's really quick. Anyway, so it looks like the game's working. Yeah, it's working just fine. And so this is how you install an external hard drive to your Xbox One. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Catch you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.